It's raining like crazy right now. Right now, it was just raining even stronger than it is right now. And now, look at it. The rain is real. And it's like pelting it, like hailstones. But there is no hailstones. So I guess it's the rain. The rain is here. The rain is real. Okay, gotta run out. Okay. I'm going. Okay. Oh, butterfly. Oh, I hear the thunder. Oh, wow. Dang. That thunder is crazy. But yeah, I guess the rain kind of just went overhead for like a minute because I heard the rain, and then it just died down right now. But it was like hailstones hitting the pool. It was crazy. Well, we'll maybe make another video of it raining because it was pretty cool. Alright, well, bye.